Hi, it's Patricia Agner, and I want to share with you some resources for you to learn about how to teach with Canva. So there's a section in Canva that says Teach with Canva, and it covers a wide variety of things that you might be interested in developing. There is a 5-minute video on presentations. There is a 2-minute 44-second video on graphic organizers. There's a 2-minute 21-second video on infographics, the same with posters. There is a video on how to search and edit templates. And you can scroll down through here. There are things like comic strips, storyboard activities, your class brand, which we've talked a little bit about, announcements, effective communications, and then there's some social emotional learning pieces. Canva has had a little glow up, and one of the things I noticed that I was very excited about, if you scroll down after going to templates, are the lessons on future ready skills. So you might want to take a look at this. They are ready to be modified by you and integrated. And I'm thinking that some of these silent superpowers might be of interest to you as you work with kids. And then there are paths to purpose and a variety of things that might interest you and your students. So make sure that you take a look at that as well. One of the things I noticed in the glow up was that there used to be a bar across the top where I could get to Canva Learning. If I come over here to settings, I can find learning this way, and I'm going to have to figure out some better ways to get there, but I do know I can get there from here. And so there's step-by-step guides here. There's the blog, there's the design studio, and there are tutorials and courses here. So this is where you can start taking a course in Canva, like Canva Essentials. And you'll find here that there's a Teacher Essentials course that 35,000 people have taken. I think there are a lot of teachers using Canva. 20,000 people using Getting Started with Canva for Education and Canva Design Skills for Students. I know some of you at the high school level have students using Canva and they're really enjoying it and they're learning some great tools that they can use for the rest of their lives. So if you scroll down here, you'll see there are tests and you can get official Canva certifications. And then there are these smaller PD offerings that you can go to see all, and you will see all of those as well. I like the whiteboards one. You might want to consider taking that. But poke around. I'll make sure you have those links.